Hi, in this video we will talk about how to make a side table in Rhino. Let's begin. We will use millimeter units. Activate ortho. Front view. Polyline. 0, 360. 200. 360. 160, 360. Fillet. Radius 100. Fillet, radius 100, fillet, radius 80, fillet, radius 80, offset. Distance 30. Cap, round, select curve, enter. Perspective view. Extrude curve. 400. Delete, select extrusion. Contour. Top, base point, direction. 30, enter. Move 1000. Extrude curve. 20. Delete. Delete. Select extrusion, zoom select. Change view mode to rendered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.